Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create, rename, and delete a team in Microsoft Teams. These are essential skills if you manage teams, projects, or departments and want to keep your workspace organized and up to date. Let's start with how to create a new team. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in. From the left-hand menu, click on Communities, find the plus icon, then click it and select Create My Own. Now, give your team a name and an optional description so members understand its purpose. Once you're ready, click Create. After the team or community is created, your new team will now appear in your teams list. Now you can start adding members right away. Just click the three dots, also known as More option. Then select Invite Member. Next, let's look at how to rename a team. Click again the three-dot menu next to the community name, also known as More options. From the menu, select Edit Community. In the Edit Team window, update the team name and description as needed. When you're done, click Save. The new name will update immediately and be visible to all team members. Now let's move on to deleting a team or community. In the Communities list, locate the community you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu next to the team name and select Delete the Community. Microsoft Teams will show a confirmation message explaining that deleting the team will remove channels, conversations, files, and connected resources. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. The team will be removed, but keep in mind that deleted teams can usually be restored within a limited time if needed. And that's it. You now know how to create, rename, and delete a team in Microsoft Teams. These simple actions help keep your team's environment clean, organized, and easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.